A local function is a function defined inside another method. It helps organize code by keeping helper logic close to where it's used. Local functions can access parameters and local variables of the containing method. Local functions can have their own parameters and return types. They are useful when the function is not needed anywhere else outside the method. Local functions cannot be declared inside loops or conditional blocks. They support recursion and can be called just like regular methods, but only within the scope of the containing method. Local functions can be declared in and called from methods, including iterator and async methods, constructors, property accessors, event accessors, anonymous methods, lambda expressions, finalizers, and other local functions. You can use the async, unsafe, static, and extern modifiers with a local function. A static local function can't capture local variables or instance state. An extern, local function must be static. If you put iterator logic into a local function, argument validation exceptions are thrown when you retrieve the enumerator. Local functions are similar to lambda expressions. The choice between using lambda expressions and local functions is a matter of style and personal preference.